These are simply adorable. I really love these dancing streamers. Aren't they beautiful? They have the rainbow colors. So in this video, this activity, we're gonna learn how to make dancing streamers. So it's time to sing and dance your favorite songs. The dancing streamers promote exercise, rhythm, imagination, and play. It is a great instrument that can be used whenever you feel like. With your family, friends, pets, it's always a lot of fun. But before dancing and singing, you have to make your own streamers. Set up the materials from this kit. Kit number two, and enjoy. So, let's get ready. Come with me.